Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the link grabber Chrome extension. This handy tool helps you collect all the links from a web page instantly, making it perfect for research, SEO, content gathering, and productivity tasks. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and search for link grabber. Click on the extension, then add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now visit any web page that contains multiple links. This can be a blog post, directory page, search result page, or any website with clickable links. Now launch link, click on link grabber. It will automatically open a new web page. Collect all available links on the web page. Here you will see all the links. Review the extracted links. You can view URLs, sort them, and quickly identify the links you need. Copy or export links. You can copy from there all the links, and this helps useful for SEO audits and link analysis. Helps organize website resources quickly, and that's it. How it is to use the link grabber Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.